Hi, I'm Chef Judy Joo here at the Chef Studios, and I'm going to show you today how to fry a perfect egg. For Bibimbap, one of my dishes here, I like kind of a slow cooked sunny side up egg, not too many, crinkles or crispy parts on the side. And that starts out with a low heated skillet, and the way you kind of test it is just flick some, and if it kind of evaporates after a couple of seconds, you know your pan is hot enough. Just take a couple of tablespoons of vegetable oil or any kind of neutral oil, put it in, circle it all around just like that so you get a nice shiny slick of oil on the bottom. You're going to carefully crack a couple eggs. Always do it on a flat surface so you don't get pieces inside. Just like that on both sides. Now, there are a couple of different things you can do here because you always get this kind of white stuff on the top. Now, you could stick the eggs in the oven to cook that through, which some people do, or you could cover it. Or another trick that we do at the restaurant is that you take the oil, kind of slant it, and then you just spoon it over the whites to help cook it. And depending on how runny you like your egg, some people like it really soft and make their bibimbap really oozy and creamy. That's up to you. And if you don't feel like doing this, you can, of course, just cover it. That is another way. Sometimes you get a bit of white film over the top of the yolk, though, if you do that. And that's it. And then you can obviously sprinkle with a bit of salt and pepper. The higher, the better. Get it all over. I like to put a bit of pepper just on the yolk, just like that, for some nice color. And then you have your perfect sunny side up eggs to dawn on your bibimbap. Add a little bit of protein. You're cooking with Judy Joo.